down here, I think I will add a few rocks and probably a few little waterfalls or something just to finish it off. So I'm going to use black just to get it started. So we'll just put in a rock. So we'll just make a straight line if you like, just to decide how far over you want to come over your rock. And then just make a hump. Just make a hump. And you can always, if you make your hump, you can always change it. You can always pull it out front a little bit here just to give it a bit of a shape. Shape it up after you get it done. Right? See? It's a nice little shape. And then we can put another one over in the other corner, but we'll probably make one a little smaller this time. We'll just make it flat. So you can still put a little line over and thicken that line up a bit. Just come up, move it up, and then come out whatever shape you want, okay? So just whatever shape you want. A little bit of a hump on there, you can do that too. But I just want to make a little rock right there. So yeah, there we go, that's better. Yeah, because you want to make a bit of a shape there. Nice. So I would say we'll highlight those rocks, highlight them with a palette knife, okay? You can use a plastic palette knife or a metal one. And I'm just going to use some of my burnt sienna. I like burnt sienna for highlights on rocks. And a little bit of white. See? So you see I'm mixing the white with the burnt sienna somewhat. Right? And then you're just going to start at the top and pull over and down. Okay? Make your palette knife a little flat. Flatten it out so that you're not using just the edge. Use the flat side. And that will get all the paint off for you. And then you can pull over and down, pull over and down. You practically we don't want to lose all the dark, but we will put that back. Okay? So not to worry. So let's do the other rock. Alright. So I just got, see? And I'm just going to touch and pull over and let my palette knife do what it wants to do. I'm going to let my palette knife take control. I want my easel to take control. Okay. There we go. See? So I'm just going to let that take control. And that is fine. Depends on what you want. Alright, so not to worry, we're going to put our black back. I'm going to put another little spot here. I'm going to touch over and pull down. You don't have to do that, you know, but I sometimes like to separate the rocks into different planes. They call it planes, if you want to call it that, or okay, so just touch, pull over and down, and over and down. Gives it a nice shape. And add a little bit more white, get a little more highlight up here. There we go, that's better. So just take your palette knife and go over your rock and let your palette knife do the work for you. Okay, just touch, just pull your knife, just touch and move your knife around and see what comes out. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to see the designs that come out on your rock. So we'll fix that. That looks nice. I like it. So you can put back some of the black in the rocks by using your liner brush with some black. And see the dark spots here? Down here especially you want to make some nice cracks. See that? And look how nice it looks. It looks more realistic. I see one here. Bring it up around here. I see something in here. I'm going up that way and going off this way. just put back some darks that you see and pull off some lines from the darks that you did. Okay, good. So you got a dark line here, so take a line off of that, just like if you were doing branches on a tree. All right, if you're doing branches on a tree, that's what you do. You put your branch, your big branch out first, and then you'll bring up some branches, smaller ones, or that brings out some nice cracks in your rock. Good. And you got some over here. Look for the darks that are already there. There's darks already there, follow those. Look for some little cracks that your palette knife left behind. See? Looks pretty good there. All right. Now if you want to, you can put back a few little highlights over what you already did, just because some of those cracks might look a little too heavy. So you don't want them to overpower your rock, okay? Just put back a few more little, you can even tap on a few little highlights and tap around there. That's better. Good. I like experimenting, so I'm just going to throw on some black on my palette knife and just see what I can get here on the bottom. Oh, that looks good. Nice. Nice. Experiment with everything that you have handy, okay? Just so you can see what results you get, what you can get, what your palette knife can do, and other things that you use. That's nice. All right. I'm just getting a fan brush out, and I'm going to put some blue on one side of my brush and white on the other, and a couple of little, I would say, little falls, as if the water might be coming in around here somewhere, sneaking in and falling on over the, down here like this, see? And then falls down over that one. Just a little falls. It's coming down behind here somewhere. Touch over and down, okay? And then you can move it in. Move it in. Touch over and down. That'll give you a nice little waterfalls. And you can even tap a little bit here, just as if maybe there's a little bit of water falling down, and maybe it's coming across here, and then it's probably coming across here and going down somewhere down here. So you have to use your imagination times. Okay, so I'm just going to tap a little bit of water as if it's moving there, and as if it's moving here, and then I'm just going to let it fall down somewhere. It's going somewhere. It's moving around somewhere. Little bit of movement here. All right. So you can always adjust it if you want it a little bigger, a little smaller, you know. And it's coming from behind the rock. Let's see, it's coming behind the rock. All right. Kind of falling over there. There we go. So that came out pretty nice. So you learn a lot. You have 3 videos in one, but like I say, do the sky video first with the clouds, where I teach you how to put the shadows in your clouds. And that's one video. You can put that video in any of your paintings. You can make up your own painting around that sky cloud painting, okay? Then I do the next video where I do the colorful trees. Now you can use that part of the video for anything that you want to use those colorful trees in. You can make up your own painting, and same with the very bottom here. You can use those techniques to make up any kind of painting that you want to make up. So you got 3 videos and you put them together, and you can have one video or you can make up your own. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned a lot, and if you have any questions, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Well, thank you for painting along with me. I hope you enjoyed that painting, and if you did enjoy that painting, leave a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you liked about that painting. What part of that painting did you like? What was your favorite part? And if you have any questions about brushes or paints or anything about the painting itself, just email me at allisonpryor@yahoo.com or leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video.